It's a beautiful day. I wish it was raining. But do you know you can make it rain at home? Should we try? Hey! So let's try to make it rain at home. So I've taken a glass of hot water. So please be very careful while boiling water and close the lid so that the steam will be collected. And I have taken the ice tray because I didn't want anything to melt. So just like we need to wait for a few minutes so that the steam will be collected. And then it's a very simple experiment, but it has to be done very quickly. So that because the water should be hot and the ice cubes shouldn't melt. So after that, I just have to place the ice cubes over the lid. So because the steam is being collected, so it might be a little difficult for us to see. But let's just wait. It's a simple vaporization and condensation that has been taking place now. So obviously the water has been boiled to its boiling point, right? So it's very hot, and obviously it is in its vapor state now, and the steam is being collected here, and the ice cubes are like absorbing or taking away all the heat from those steam, making it condense, and that is how it is just falling down. So I could see, yeah, can you all see it? Looks nice, like imagine you're going on a drive and it starts raining and the water is dripping down from the window and there is some good music, Hindi music playing in the background. So that's how it feels. So you can actually see the droplets. I'm able to show you. It's hot. So that is what is happening here, and obviously the ice will melt. More. This should be enough. So I can see, can you? Does it coming in the corners of the glass? Still, you can see the droplets, water droplets. So even if you have not kept the ice also, you can naturally absorb this. But with the ice cubes, the process will be fast. That's all. See, all the drops which I can observe. So if the ice cubes were not there, it would have taken some extra time for the vapors to condense. But now it is pretty fast. I hope you all can see it. So I can't even lift because it is super hot. Can you show you this? See? Can you see this, people? The water drops. That's what is happening. Oops. See? The steam is being collected and it is being condensed. It's a very simple experiment which everyone can enjoy because this is something which happens in our everyday life, but sometimes we fail to observe this. So do sit with your family and just demonstrate this simple experiment. The kids will love it, even the adults will too. So play some good Bollywood music along with it. Watch it rain. Thank you so much for more such interesting videos. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share this video with your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, it's raining here. Is it raining there? Why don't you try?